I am Varenya and I am going to teach you how to code in Python. So Python is this cool stuff where you can make games and all the stuff, but then it is not used for making websites at all. So let's begin. So I think you all must have downloaded Python Kit from before. If you haven't, just go to the link given in the description and download it right now. So I have downloaded it and kept. So I am going to teach you the basics first. So the basics is the total graphics. So first we need to import the total graphics screen and the turtle. For that we need to type a command called import turtle. Import means it takes out something, and now we are taking out the turtle. So you see, when I have written that, nothing happens because we haven't named the turtle yet. So Fred, it is the common name usually used for the turtle. So fred is equal to turtle.Pen and open the brackets, and don't forget that this P is capital in pen. Okay, so now when you see the turtle gravity screen has appeared and the turtle is here, right here. So you all might be thinking, how is this a turtle? This is just an arrow. So first we have to change the shape of the turtle. For that we have to write the name of the turtle, that is fred.shape, and we should open the bracket and write the shape of the turtle. So it is the shapes of the turtle should be turtle. So we write turtle and close the brackets. So when you see, the turtle shape has been changed. Now you all might have be thinking, I want to change the color of the turtle. So for changing the color of the turtle, we should write a command called fred.color and open the brackets and write the color. I write red, so I am making the turtle color as red. So when you press enter, whenever you write something wrong, this thing will alert you. So here it shows the color. There is a spelling mistake in the color. So when now again we have to write the same command. Just make the color spelling proper. And now when you see, the turtle color has been changed. So now you might be thinking, why have we come for this changing the color, taking out the turtle? So this turtle, it makes shapes, lines and all the stuff. So for that I am going to tell you how. First we should make it go forward 100. Whichever number you want, it'll go forward, and always remember you should write it always inside the bracket. Now when you press enter, you see the turtle has gone 100 pixels forward. Pixels is the length that is measured in the Python language. So now we have seen that it has gone 100 pixels forward. Now we'll make it turn left. So now we have to just write left and how much degrees. You all might have learned that when we turn 90-degree, it just from right to left, then front to left, left to backward, and backward to right. So now we change it into 90. So now you see it has gone from left to forward. So now we again make it go forward again 100. So now we press enter, it has gone again 100 pixels forward. Now we have to keep repeating it. So you see again it has turned. Now you see the turtle has made a complete square. So that's all for today, and meet you tomorrow.